Okay, this final video is still to do with perpendicular bisectors, but what do you do if you are asked to do a perpendicular bisector that must go through a point that is not on the line? Now, the point we're going to consider for this example is this point A. And the way we do this is, once again, we're going to do a bit of work before we actually do our perpendicular bisector. Once again, we're going to take our compasses, and again we need to somehow create 2 points from which we can do our bisector. Now these 2 points must be an equal distance away from this point A. And so all I really need to do then is I need to be able to open up my compasses to a width that will allow me, if I do a complete circle, will cut through the line twice. You can see here it's just going to cross through there and it will cross through there. So I'm now going to quickly do one arc there and one arc there. Okay, so I now have 2 points from which to construct my perpendicular bisector, and the method remains exactly the same as it has been in both of the previous videos, but we'll run through it once again. So first point on that intersection there, here's the critical part. We must make sure that our compasses are over halfway. Well, there's halfway. We're aiming for about 3/4, and we're going to do an arc above and an arc below. And if we go to the other side, on the other mark that we've made, an arc above and on the same point an arc below. Now it just so happens my arcs have ended up going through the dot. That doesn't always happen. But be confident with the method, because if now, whether it goes through the point A or not, when we join up the intersection of the 2 arcs, it will always go through the dot. And that's how we do a perpendicular bisector through a given point that does not lie upon the line.